Yeah. Does that make you happy? Yeah. What else happened? What else? Yeah. Yeah. Did you say hi? Yeah. Did it make you tired? Would it make you tired? Is that what happened? Yeah. Did you have a good lunch? Did you have your good lunch? Did you like it? I'm gonna give an evil eye to the camera. See, no photos, please. No photos. Yes. Go blow bubbles. Tell me more though. Yeah? That's awesome. What else? What else happened? Yeah? Yeah? You gonna hire a clown when you get money? Yeah? And call all your chicks on your phone? Yeah, you look like the E-Trade baby. Oh, no, you're cuter. I'm sorry. You're cuter. Much cuter. You have beautiful eyes. Yeah.